So today to discuss the examples on empirical formula and the molecular formula. After knowing the steps to calculate the empirical and molecular formula, let us see some of the best example. Take down the examples. An organic compound contain 39.9% carbon and 6.7% hydrogen and rest is oxygen. Calculate its empirical formula. Repeats once again. An organic compound contain 39.9% carbon, 6.7% hydrogen and rest is oxygen. Calculate its empirical formula. Let us see how to calculate. We have the given organic compound contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Given that percentage of carbon is equal to 39.9, percentage of hydrogen is 6.7%, that is 6.7%. And then rest is oxygen. Therefore, percentage of oxygen is equal to 100 minus percentage of carbon plus percentage of hydrogen. So 100 minus percentage of carbon is 39.9 plus 6.7. What you will get? 100 minus. So this is 6, then 1, 10, 6, then 4. That is 46.6. So what you will get? That is 4, then 1. This is 3, 1, 5. That is the 53.4% of oxygen. Then how to determine the empirical formula? To calculate empirical formula as follows. How to calculate the empirical formula? So we have to follow the some steps, that is elements. What are the elements present in the given compound? Then percentage, then atomic mass, percentage divided by atomic mass, then numbers divided by least number, then whole number ratio. So these are the steps to calculate the empirical formula. Now put the various data. What are the elements? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Percentage of carbon is 39.9, 6.7. Then oxygen is 53 point. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. Hydrogen is 1. Oxygen is 6. You can divide it. That is 39.9 divided by 12. 6.7 divided by 1. 53.4 divided by 60. So you will get the value. So this is 6.7. Now, so this is 3 point something. That is 3.36. So 3.36. And this is also 3 point something. 3.36. So 3.5. Then among these numbers, which is the least number? This is the least number. We can divide it. 3.36 divided by 3.35. 6.7 divided by 3.35. 3.35 divided by 3.35. So you will get nearly 1. This is 2. This is 1. So therefore the whole number ratio is 1 to 1. 1 to 1. This is X, Y and Z. Therefore the empirical formula is Cx Hy OZ. What is X? C1 H2 O1 or CH2O. This is the empirical formula of the Then take another example. An organic compound gave the percentage composition of 39.13% carbon, 8.64% hydrogen and rest is 52.53% oxygen. Calculate the empirical formula. Now they are given all the quantities. It is same as the previous example. We have the compound contain carbon is 39.13%, hydrogen is 8.64% and oxygen is 52.53%. Okay, these are the given data. Can substitute. This is 13. This is 8.64. This is 52.53. Right? Then the atomic mass is same. Then simplify. 39.13 12, you will get 3.26. This is 8.64 divided by 1, you will get 8.64. Then 52.27 52.53 divided by 16, you will get this is 24, 52.54, sorry, 24 divided by 16, that is 3.26. See all the numbers, which is the least number. That least number is required to all the numbers. So therefore you will get 3.26 divided by 3.26, 1. 8.64 divided by 3.26, you will get around the what? The 2.63. This is 3.26 divided by 3.26, you will get 1. So this 2.63 is taken as 3. This is 1. Therefore, the empirical formula is Cx Hy OZ. That is C1 H3O1 or CH3O. This is the empirical formula of the these steps are very important. Then take another example. This is very important. An organic compound having carbon, hydrogen and chlorine contain 10% carbon, 0.84% hydrogen and rest is chlorine. What is the empirical formula of the compound? Repeats once again. An organic compound contains carbon, hydrogen and chlorine, in which 10% of carbon, 0.84% of hydrogen and rest is chlorine. What is the empirical formula of the compound? So we have the compound contain and hydrogen is 0.84%. Chlorine is, so this is 89.84%. So not 84. So sorry, 6.1. 89.16%. Because 100 minus percentage of carbon and percentage of hydrogen, you will get 89.16. Then follow the steps. So what are the elements? Chlorine. Carbon is 10%. Hydrogen is 0.84%. Chlorine is 89.60. The atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. Divide it. That is 10 divided by 12. 0.84 divided by 1. 89.16 by 35.5. So this is nearly 0.9 something, and this is 0.84 is 0.8 is the least number, you can divide it. 0.8 divided by 0.8 you will get 1. 0.84 divided by 0.8 you will get nearly 1. And this is 2.6, so 2.4. Now 0.84 divided 2.4 divided by 0.8 you will get 3. Therefore this is 1 and this is 2. Hence the empirical formula is C1 H1 Cl3 or I may write as CS. This is the empirical formula of the. Okay. So these are the some of the examples over to the calculation of the empirical formula. Tomorrow to understand the some of the best examples to calculate the molecular formula. Thank you.